And you're saying I have to clean this up? Yeah, Gordon. You're literally the only one strong enough to do it. Okay, fine. Yeah, a little closer. There. Darn it, the rope's not long enough. Yeah. You know, it wouldn't hurt to just move forward a little bit. Oh, oh, oh no. Maybe it would hurt. I gotta get this train back. Whoa. Oh no. Ah. Well, the hook is in the water. So I guess that's good. Okay, now I gotta try and pull this up. Whoa. Oh. I can use this as a grappling hook. Yes. Come on. Eventually. Finally, I'm out of that stupid mess. But then how am I gonna get the train out? Oh no, harsh waves. Oh, flip, no, I'm sure there's not gonna be anyone left. Help me. You know what? This one's unsavable. Let's just go.